Students, today we are going to start with the second exercise of maths chapter number 7, that is triangle. So we will start with the second one. First one is your homework. The first question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, you have to draw an isosceles triangle ABC where AB is equal to AC. Bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. So the bisectors, there are two bisectors of angle B and C and they intersect at the midpoint O. So join A to O, show that you have to join sorry join A to O and you have to show that first you have to prove OB is equal to OC and second you have to prove AO bisects angle A. This you have to try by yourself. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Second question. Second question is, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is AD, it is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. We have to show it. So first, in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we will take two triangles. BC is equal to BD will be equal to DC. BD equal to DC. Why? Because AD bisects BC. It is already given. Because AD bisects BC. Here it will be BC. It is already given. Now, angle ADB, it will be equal to angle ADC, right? ADB will be equal to ADC. Why? Because each 90 degree. It will be equal. This is equal to 90 degree. Each both have 90 degree. Why? Because because AD is perpendicular to BC. It is already given. AD is perpendicular to BC. So therefore AD equal to AD. In both of these AD is common. So common. Now therefore triangle ABD will be congruent to triangle ACD, right? By SAS criteria, side angle side. ABD, side angle side, and ACD, side angle side. So therefore AB will be equal to AC. Why? Congruent parts of congruent triangle, CT. So therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. This only we wanted to prove. We had to find out. So with this we complete the second one. Now let's see the third one. Third one question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle ABC in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. So we have to show that BE is equal to CF, that we have to show. So we will start with, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, angle A will be equal to angle A. Both are, angle A is common in both. So angle A equal to angle A, common, right? Now, angle AEB will be equal to angle AFC because each 90 degree, it is already given. So, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, each 90 degree. So AB will be equal to AC, right? It is given. AB equal to AC. Given. So, therefore, triangle ABE will be congruent to triangle ACF. How? By AAS criteria, right? Angle, side. ABE, angle, side, right? And ACF, angle, side. Angle A is also an angle, right? Here we have written. So they are angle, side criteria. So BE will be equal to CF. Why? Congruent parts of congruent triangle, CPCT. So, what we can say, in other words, altitudes drawn to respective equal sides are also equal. This BE is equal to CF. So, we can say it by CPCT also, or we can say altitudes drawn to respective sides. Respective sides are always equal. That is, these are both in respective sides. So, they are always equal. So this only we wanted to prove. So we complete the third one. Now let's go to the fourth question. So now fourth question is, ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. So here it is given that BE is equal to CF. You have to show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. We have to show that. And another thing we have to show is AB is equal to AC. That we have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. That we have to show. So first what we will do, whatever we have done in the previous question, that is third one, similar thing we will follow. That is, in triangle ABE we will take, and triangle ACF we will take. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, angle A is equal to angle A, it is common. Another thing, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Why? Each 90 degree. Angle ABE is equal to angle AFC, each 90 degree. So therefore BE will be equal to CF, right? BE will be equal to CF, it is given in the question. So first which we wanted to prove is, therefore because of this, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by AS criteria that we have already proved in the previous question, angle, side. And so second we wanted to prove as AB is equal to AC by CPCT, congruent parts of congruent triangles. So therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? With this we complete the fourth one. Now fifth one. Fifth question is, ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. We have to show this. So first of all we will start with, in isosceles triangle ABC. In isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. It is already given. AB is equal to AC. Given. So, angle ACB will be equal to angle ABC, right? Angles opposite to equal sides. Therefore, angle ACB equal to angle ABC. Angles opposite to equal sides, right? This is, we will keep equation 1. Now we will take isosceles triangle BDC. CD, right? In isosceles triangle BCD. So BD will equal to DC. BD equal to DC. Then therefore angle BCD equal to BCD will be equal to CBD as we wrote in the previous one. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides. This we will keep equation number 2. Then adding corresponding sides of 1 and 2. So angle ACB plus angle BCD, we will add the corresponding sides, will be equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD. So what will we get? Angle ACD will be equal to angle ABD. This BC and BC will cancel. So, or we can say angle ABD equal to angle ACD. Right? In this we got ACD, BC is left, and ABD. Then here we do ABD or ACD. This only we had to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Hence, prove. I hope you are clear with the concept. With this, we complete the 5th question.